So fifth year summer exam question 7 part C. You're told that PQ is the diameter of circle C2. Find the equation of C2. So to be able to find the equation of a circle, you need a center and you need a radius. So straight away we know that the length of PQ is the diameter, and we find it to be 4 root 5. So therefore the radius of C2 is going to be half of the diameter, so half of 4 root 5, which is 2 root 5. Now to find the centre, a little bit more work. You know now that your circle looks like this, your centre, and the end points of your diameter are P and Q. Okay, so what we need to find is the point P and the point Q. Now we know that the equation of that particular line that has P and Q on it is L, which is 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So what we need to find is the points of intersection between the line L and the circle. Okay, that we already had in part 1, which was x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, because the line L intersected it at the points P and Q. So we can get those points from that line and circle. So x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So this is your circle C1. Okay, this diagram here is to do with the circle C2. Okay. Okay, so our line L is 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So if we just bring 2x plus 5 and bring the minus y across, becomes y. So everywhere now that we see y, we're going to put in 2x plus 5 and we're going to solve for x first and then go back and solve for y. So it is x squared plus 2x plus 5 all to the squared minus 2x minus 4 by 2x plus 5 minus 20 equals to 0. So x squared plus 2x plus 5 by 2x plus 5 minus 2x minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. So it's going to give you x squared plus, so 2x and 2x, 4x squared, 2x and 5, 10x and 10x, which is 20x plus 25. And then you have minus 2x and minus 8, so minus 10x minus 40 equals to 0. So it's going to give you 5x squared, and you have 20x, take away 10x, which is 10x, and 25 minus 40, which is minus 15, equals to 0. Now, if you look at that equation, you can divide the whole thing across by 5. Okay, so divide by 5, so you're left with x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So the factorising is very easy. So it's x and x, 3 and 1 plus 3 and minus 1. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 3. So now we find our x values of our points P and Q. Now we need to find our corresponding y values. So I'm just going to go back to right here. 2x plus 5 is equal to y, the easiest place to find your y value. So 2x plus 5 equals y, and 2x plus 5 equals y, and our x value is 1. 2 by 1 plus 5 is equal to y. So 2 plus 5 equals y. 7 is equal to y. So that first point is 1, 7. And the second one is 2 by minus 3 plus 5 is equal to y. So minus 6 plus 5 equals y. Minus 1 equals y. So the second point is minus 3 minus 1. So now we have our points P and our point Q. Okay, so we now know, looking at our diagram again, okay, so we now know that our diagram looks something like this. This is our center, and this is P, and this is Q. So this we'll say is 1, 7, and this is minus 3 minus 1. Doesn't matter what way around. Okay, so what I'm going to find now, to find the center of the circle, I'm going to find the midpoint of the point P and Q. So the midpoint midpoint of PQ. So we'll say P is 1, 7, and Q is minus 3, minus 1, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint is x1 plus x2 all over 2, y1 plus y2 all over 2. So you have 1 minus 3 divided by 2, and you have 7 minus 1 divided by 2. So our midpoint is going to be minus 2 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2, which is minus 1, 3. Okay, is the midpoint of the line PQ, or is the center of the circle. So now to find the equation of the circle C2, we know that the radius is 2 root 5, and we know that the center is minus 1, 3. So we use the equation x minus h all to be squared plus y minus k all to be squared is equal to r squared. So it's going to be x, and this is your h and k. So it's x minus minus 1, which is plus 1 all to be squared, plus y minus 3 all to be squared is equal to 2 root 5 squared. So it's x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 2 2s are 4. So it's 4 by, and then remember to square the root 5. Root 5 by root 5 is 5. So it's x plus 1 all to be squared plus y minus 3 all to be squared is equal to 20. That's the equation of C2.